We discussed date and time objects in the datetime module previously. Now let's talk about the datetime class. Import datetime from the datetime module. This is the date and time right now. Import the time module. D is this datetime object from the current time. This is D. And this is the month, June. This is the date, 15th June 2019. This is the timestamp of this very moment. And this is the date and time in the ISO format. Now import time delta from datetime. We can add 7 days to this datetime object. So 15 June becomes 22 June. Let's do some problems on datetime. Right now, write a function that prints the date and time at this moment as a string. Now is the current datetime. strf time helps format the datetime. Right now it's 15th June 2019 and this is the time. And by now a few seconds have passed, so this is the time now. Running length. Write a function that takes in the running length of a movie in minutes and returns the same in hours and minutes. Let's import datetime. The function takes the duration in minutes and creates a time delta from it. It splits this around the colons to extract the hours and minutes. So a movie of 200 minutes runs for 3 hours and 20 minutes, and that of 160 minutes runs for 2 hours and 40 minutes.